Today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're going to be back inside of our Moccasin module, but we're going over a new topic inside of that module. We're going to be going over the PyTest fixture scopes. So let's dive right in with some light reading. So in this section, we will go over the concept of PyTest fixture scopes. Fixtures in PyTest can have different scopes that determine how often a fixture is invoked. There are four main scopes in PyTest. We have our function scope. The feature or the function is invoked once per test function. This is the default scope. Class scope. The fixture is invoked once per test class. All test methods in a class share the same exact fixture instance. Our module scope. The fixture is invoked once per module. All test functions in a module share the same fixture instance. Then we have our session scope. The fixture is invoked once per test session. All test functions across all modules share the same fixture instance. Now, by default, the fixtures have a function scope, meaning they are invoked once per test function. And you can see we got that straight from this definition here from function scope. So by default, all of our fixtures are set to function until we change it. However, we can change the scope of a fixture by using the scope parameter in the PyTest.fixture decorator. Here's how we can change the scope of a fixture to module scope. So you can see here inside of our decorator at PyTest.fixture, we will go right inside of the parameter and pass in scope, and we will set that equal to module. Now everything else will stay the same. Now this is basically telling our fixture that is no longer operating as a function scope, which is by default automatically thinking that's what it is. We're going to actually set that to module, so now that it knows to operate as a module scope. And basically, in this example, we change the scope of the favorites contract fixture to module scope. Now, we're going to leave it right there for right now. Like I said, we're going to take things slow because we are only reading in this module, so we're just going to pick it up tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.